Welcome to the channel. Today we will be unboxing and taking a first look at Keychron's K12, a 60% hot swap keyboard. The packaging actually is really nice. It has a really clean, sort of simple black aesthetic with a shimmery Keychron K12 and the pertinent information on the box. There's a little sticker that says which style I picked. There are several available. The K12 launched as a Kickstarter earlier this year, which is Keychron's sort of modus operandi for launching new keyboards. There's several versions available, 5 versions with 5 different switch options, so it's kind of a mess. I'll throw up a graphic for that rather than read it all out to you. The banana and mint switches are Keychron's optical tactile options. Inside the box, you've got the pretty standard quick start guide, the directions for how to switch between Windows and Mac mode. One thing Keychron does well is provide Mac support default on all their keyboards. I actually got the no backlight aluminum bezel version. I'm not a huge RGB fan, so I won't miss it. They've included, of course, the Keychron branded switch puller, the Windows keys. The Macintosh keys are installed by default. The keys are pretty standard ABS plastic, printed legends, nothing really fancy here, but they do match the board nicely. There's also the cable, and honestly, my first thought was, what the heck is this? USB-C to USB-C with a huge ferrite ring. I mean, honestly, what kind of interference are you expecting? This is easily my least favorite part about the keyboard. You'll see that the connection's on the left side, so they include this right angle USB-C. But honestly, how many USB-C ports does the standard user have? And this left side USB-C port is just I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And this included switch puller is really not even worth mentioning. I do appreciate that they've got the Mac compatibility mode set by default. I think it sort of speaks to their marketing towards the Mac user base. I'm not sure if this hits that mark because I honestly, taken out of the package here, my first thought is this is thick. Like, it has such a high profile. It does not look sleek at all. It looks like a brick. Even though the flip-up feet in the back allow you to change the typing angle from 3.5 degree to 7 degree and 10 degree, just the height in the front was so thick, I decided to get the calipers out and take some measurements. I also took some pictures next to some other boards I had around, just as sort of a comparison. On Take Your Board to Work Day, I took a picture next to my Leopold FC 750R. You can see the Leopold looks way thinner. It even looks taller than my GK61, even though it's only about 2 millimeters taller than that one. And even though the keycaps are cherry profile, it makes the Idabao ID80 look positively sleek with cherry keycaps on it. That's really about all for this unboxing video. I'll use this for a couple weeks and get a good feel for how I like using it. Honestly, my initial impression is that I'm unimpressed. It's a basic 60% and doesn't seem to really improve on anything or innovate anything at all. I did even have two problems with inputs. One that I captured here, I'll show for you. I was trying to do a typing test and my letters started duplicating. And then another one I didn't capture on camera where the Windows key stuck. Not physically, the key wasn't stuck, just the input was stuck on the board. That combined with the extra thick bezel and the just horrible left side USB-C port has kind of made this first impression not the best. And that means we're going to give it away. So if we get to 100 subscribers, this will be our first channel giveaway. At 682 grams stock, this feels average. It's just a normal plastic keyboard with an aluminum bezel. There's not much flex in the deck, and it doesn't feel hollow, but it's not super dense either. After the little ghosting typing test where the Bluetooth connection really got hosed, we're going to finish off with a couple of stock sound tests. Nothing's been modified yet, so stick around for those and enjoy, and thanks for watching. They say like and subscribe. Right here, say like. And
Tap my video.
Tap your video. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.